Okay, let's start. Today I am going to design a spring, new type spring, a square type spring. Okay, go to new and select part. Okay, and I am going to ribbon area. We are select a sketch, select circle, select front plane. We will select IPS, and CGS unit. We will select MMGS. Okay, and go to ribbon area and select circle, select front plane, draw circle, center circle, go to a smart dimension, select a smart dimension, diameter 80 mm, enter, select features, select curve, helix and spring, select height and revolution. Okay, sorry, go to features and select curve, helix and spring, select height and revolution. One 104.02 mm height and revolution 6.5. Done. Okay, and go to a sketch, select plane, top plane select. We will select center rectangle, draw center rectangle. We are select dimension, a smart dimension, fill dimension, 2 mm. Okay, horizontal side 2 mm, height 2 mm, and vertical side 4 mm. Enter. Okay. Go to future, swift wash base. Okay. Design a spring. Add materials. Materials, polish steel, polish aluminum, polish bronze, Steel, police steel. Okay. And add colors. Height. Yes. We will select edit and okay. Number of revolution. Okay.